Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cassandra Olivia. So today is presented by a company called Rose Forever New York. They were kind enough to reach out to me and ask me that I want some free roses, and I'm going to drop all the information down below. I'm going to also pull up my profile just to make sure I have the right information. The roses that I ordered, they are called Essential Ecuador Pearl Pink, and I'm going to open this for the first time right now. So they come in this box. These are forever roses. They are supposed to last up to 1 year, and this is what they look like. These are the roses that they sent me. I chose the Ecuador Pearl Pink roses, and this is how they look straight out of the package, and they're absolutely gorgeous. So they were kind enough to send me a discount code. So if you use the code Cassandra, you will get $15 off of any bouquet of roses that you choose. I chose the Ecuador roses in the color Pearl Pink, and they are super cute. I thought they would be really cute in my salon suite to match my salon aesthetic. So big shout out to you, Rose Forever. Thank you so much for even reaching out to me. I am a sucker for roses. Fun fact, I actually have a tattoo of a rose on my leg. And I just love flowers and things that are girly, so these will definitely look super cute in my suite. And I just really like the packaging. Like, this is super cute. I will say the only con that I do have with this is that I noticed on one of them it's a little black, but I'm pretty sure that's because of how they were either shipped or the packaging. I'm not sure, but other than that, I have no complaints. These are absolutely gorgeous roses, and they can last up to a year. So please be sure to check them out. Rose Forever is based out of New York City. They started in 2019, and they basically have roses that last up to 1 year. They only use natural oils to preserve the roses, so these are good to go. It's not a whole bunch of chemicals on these at all. You can either get 9 roses, 16 roses, or 36. They do have different shapes. You can get circle, square. They have a couple different options on the website, as well as different colors for the boxes. I just opted to do black because my salon is pink, but my house, my makeup station is actually pink and black, and I thought this would look really beautiful on my makeup station when I do my makeup every day. So this is how they look up close again. The fun thing I will say that I learned about this company just off of going from their website, they have roses that come in different colors. So they don't just do your typical pink, white, or red. They have yellow roses, they have black, they have silver, they have white. They have so many different options for you guys to choose from. So please be sure to check them out and let them know that I sent you. And if you do order roses, please feel free to tag me on Instagram so I can repost you and shout you guys out. If you want to see how I did this wig install, I will link that down below. And just let me know if you've ever ordered from this company before. These roses, again, are absolutely beautiful. And like, I don't even know how they have them in here like this. Like, they're flawless. Thank you so much, Rose Forever, for giving me the opportunity and reaching out, sending me this beautiful bouquet of roses in this box. I really do appreciate this, and this is definitely something that I am going to keep for a year because these are absolutely gorgeous. So here's me just showing you guys how they look in my salon suite. Let me know if you like it better here or if I should leave them at home. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and please don't forget to comment and like down below. Okay guys, so as many of you guys know, I am a Framar addict, and last year they reached out to me and added me to their PR list. So I wanted to go ahead and just show you what I got this month. I literally get a Framar package every month. Every time they do an update, they send me stuff. So shout out to you, Framar. I'm very appreciative. Even before they started sending me stuff, I have literally all Framar stuff in my salon suite, and I'm going to actually do a tour coming soon. But I'm super obsessed with this company, and I was just very thankful that they reached out to me and that they still continue to reach out to me. Not only that, they've watched my YouTube videos, they follow me on Instagram, they shouted me out, they reposted my work on their page. Like, when I tell you, just the love is just so mutual. So I'm a Framar girl for life. Like, there's no other brand to me when it comes to hair tools at this point, especially for hair coloring. So I wanted to unbox this and show you guys what I got this month, because I don't really show you guys a lot of behind the scenes stuff just because 9 times out of 10 when I get these packages, I like to just open them and play around with stuff, and I'm just too impatient to just sit there and unbox and, you know, take one thing at a time. But I figured you guys probably want to see, and yeah, let's get into this. So ooh, so this is how the packaging came already. They sent me some cute freaking stickers. Sent me these cute stickers that actually match the new foils that I actually just used in my last video. If you have not, checked that out. They also sent me their limited edition rainbow foils. Now you guys know I go through foils like freaking crazy. Because it is Pride Month, we are allies of, you know, the LGBTQ ABCDEFG community, feel me? So I thought that was really dope that they sent that to me. So I definitely will be using these for Pride Month as I do more color corrections and color services. And then they have a new item. They also sent me their slides, brand new. Your girl got big feet. I'm a size 9, but don't judge, okay? Judge your mother. So these are cute. I would actually put these on and like take a snack with these, but I'm actually gonna get my toes done in a couple of days for vacation, so I'm not gonna embarrass myself. I don't want y'all talking about my crusty toes, okay? So look, I'm gonna just take these out and show you guys. How freaking cute. How freaking cute are these? Like, I can wear these when I do hair color, because then I won't have to worry about damaging my shoes or, you know, getting anything crazy on there. But I think these are so freaking cute. Like, Framar, they don't be playing when it comes to the packaging, when it comes to the branding, okay? Like, the brand overall is good, and these feel like really good, nice shoes. They don't feel like cheap shoes at all. Like, very sturdy, not your average Chinese slipper, you feel me? These are nice, and they feel really soft. Like, just squeezing them, they definitely feel like they have a lot of support. So I cannot wait to rock these at work. So that's what I got this month from Framar. And then last month I got the tropical foils, and then before then I had like the pink and purple foils, and I had the Christmas foils. Literally every foil that Framar has, I have now. So I'm very thankful, and I'm just very blessed, and I'm just so happy that my career has opened up so many doors and so many people are recognizing me and my work, because your girl does work hard to try to make sure that she is a Black-owned professional business, okay? Don't get me wrong, I can be a hood girl when I want to be, but when I'm at work, I am in full boss babe mode, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you want to see the look on this hair, be sure to check the video link down below. Let me know what your favorite Framar products are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.